Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla Model 3 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical issues. Next, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx bit, and a 10mm socket. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace for optimal visibility and ease of access. Now let's safely remove the airbag module. On each side of the steering wheel, you'll find a small access hole. Gently insert a thin, flat tool into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. Once released, carefully pull the airbag forward. You'll then see two electrical connectors. Disconnect these by pressing their tabs. Set the airbag aside in a safe, face-up position. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll see a large bolt in the center. Use your 10mm socket to loosen and remove it. Before pulling the wheel off, it's wise to mark its current position relative to the steering column. This ensures your new wheel will be perfectly straight. Then, gently but firmly pull the old steering wheel straight off the shaft. Installing your new steering wheel is straightforward. Carefully slide the new wheel onto the steering shaft, aligning it precisely with the marks you made earlier. This ensures your wheel is centered. Reinsert and tighten the main retaining bolt securely, typically to 80 Nm or 59 foot-pounds. Next, reconnect the two electrical connectors to the airbag module, then carefully push the airbag back into place until the clips engage. Finally, reconnect your 12-volt battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.